Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's guide, I'll show you how to turn on vibrate mode on any Android phone in a simple and detailed way. Go to the Settings app. The Settings menu is where you manage all system-related options, including sound, display, privacy, and more. Now scroll down carefully until you find the Sound or Sounds and Vibration option. The name may be slightly different depending on your phone brand, Samsung, Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo, etc. But it usually contains the word sound. Tap on it to open the sound settings page. At the top of the screen, you will see different sound profile options such as sound mode, silent mode, and vibrate mode. Now choose vibrate mode. As soon as you tap it, your phone will switch to vibration only. This means your phone will not ring, but it will vibrate for calls and notifications. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.